Banjo notes like rain on a rusty tin roof. Acoustic chords weave stories what's below. The melody wraps round like old Spanish moss beneath the stars on the southern night aglow.
Hey y'all, my wife and I, we do the WAE or WAE as they call it, the working aptitude evaluation for the Doberman pinchers. And this video here shows kind of what happens during the WAE. The first station is where they meet the neutral stranger, where the person doesn't interact with the dog at all and only talks to the handler, just to see how the dog's reaction. The next station is the friendly stranger, where the person is approaching the dog, wanting to pet it, play with it, and so forth, and see how the dog reacts. In both cases, the dog should not have any aggressive or regressive behavior. They should be kind of neutral, just like, all right, fine, you're here, you're in my face, want to play. This station here is where they call the mystery noise. As the dog's approaching, you can't see the person behind the car, but the person's shaking a can with beans in it, and unfamiliar sound for the dog, so they see how they react. Now this next station is my station, where I'm shooting blanks from a handgun to see how the dog reacts to sudden, sharp handgun noise. And this dog did fine. He kind of alerted to it and didn't freak out. This next one is where a lot of dogs get bummed out because it's freaks them out when this umbrella opens up. And it's okay for the dog to kind of shy away for a second, but then they should recover and approach the flag or the umbrella rather, and see what's going on. So that's good. Now the next one is to check their footing, how they react with unfamiliar footing. So this first they go across this kind of slick tarp plastic. Then you can't see it really here, but there's wire mesh on the ground, which is kind of unusual to the feet. And this fella's having a little bit of problem with that, but it's okay. He's not freaking out. And the last part is the best part of the whole series. It's the scary stranger. We have a guy dressed up like a bum or homeless person, and he comes running out behind the SUV and being very aggressive and approaching the animal to see how it reacts. And, I'll just play it out here. This dog did good. And we only take it for a few seconds, and the dog's done a fine job there, and that's the end of it. Thank you for watching. Take care.